everyone, and welcome to my channel. I'm Devine, and today I'm going to be walking you through how to do a waterfall braid. So to get started, we're going to take a small section in the front and we are going to start this just like we would a regular 3-strand braid. Cross one piece over the middle and then cross the other piece over the middle just to get it started. And then what we're going to do is the section towards the bottom is we are going to just drop it, and then we're going to grab a whole new piece of hair, and I'll show you another camera angle in just a second. But when you drop that piece of hair, if you just leave it hanging there, what tends to happen is you accidentally will pick it back up when you don't mean to. So usually it's best to clip that out of the way somehow. A lot of times I find it easiest just to kind of hold it between my lips, as you'll see here in just a moment. But once we drop that piece out of the way, we grab a new section, cross it over the middle, and then the top section gets crossed over the middle, and then we do the same thing with the next bottom section. And you can see here a little bit clearly, we drop that section, we grab a new piece, cross it over the middle, cross the top over the middle, and then drop that bottom section again, grab a new piece, and you just keep repeating this process for as long as you're working through the braid, and this is what creates the waterfall effect. And once we finish the braid on the one side, I'm just going to pin it with a bobby pin temporarily so we can go through the opposite side and do the same thing. And once we get to the back where they meet, that's where I'll just tie it off with a little rubber band or hair tie. Now, of course, you don't have to do it this way. You could just pin up one side or braid one side or braid all the way around, but this is how I wanted to do it for this example, to kind of create a little waterfall braid halo, if you will. Finished waterfall braid. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or video suggestions, please feel free to leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more upcoming videos. I hope everybody has a wonderful day.